Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. Today I am taking the TRX to CarMax to see what they are going to give us for it, or an appraisal. Now, Coy is not with me because he had to go to the store. So we are unofficially going to have a little fun. Now,
why are you going so slow?
They say it is easier to ask for forgiveness than permission. So today we are going to live by that motto, and he can forgive me later for having a little bit too much fun in his truck. Right. So this truck, in my opinion, it's an adrenaline getter. I mean, you floor it and you just, your hands get to shaking because you can just feel that power. And maybe I'm just not used to driving a car that has that much horsepower behind it. I never thought that we would own a car to this extent. This really is just on a whole nother level. I'm thankful that we've had the opportunity to purchase this car. Ooh. So we're just two girls today having a little bit of fun in the TRX. We're the T-Rex. Oh, there we go. I'm telling you what, right now it is better than a little kid in a kiddie store, because you barely touch the gas and it just, you feel it push you down to the back of the chair, and it's a feeling that I've never felt before. Oh my. Okay. I'm not even gonna admit to going over the speed limit. So, but Coy's gonna find out no matter what when he edits the videos that we had some fun in this thing. Alright, so we got a little clearway. We're just gonna go for it.
What?
Oh my goodness, this thing is just, it's a beast of a beast. It gets you all giggity. Oh my goodness. This is one of those, it is a fun car, but I think it's probably best to for it to remain Coy's driver and not mine, because if this was a daily driver, I would have some serious speeding tickets. I would not be able to control myself in a manner that would be appropriate for having this car on an everyday basis, because it is just, from the time you get in and you floor it that first time, it is a quick one. Well, and so we're just gonna kind of give it a little love tap there. We're gonna take it just to see what they will appraise it for, have a little fun with it. I know they don't like you to record, so we will have to cut recording, and then as soon as we get the appraisal, I will come back and let you guys know what they have to say. So let's see. All right, there we go. See, we're at the CarMax. There we go. And we'll be back shortly with the appraisal. All right, guys, so I just went in and they did the preliminary stuff, took some information, and we are currently just waiting for somebody to come out and actually physically inspect the vehicle to give us the appraisal. So stay tuned. All right, guys, quick update. Jasmine's out currently from CarMax. She's going over all of the stuff, taking pictures of the car, looking it over. They actually don't have this particular vehicle in their system yet, so this will actually be their first appraisal on the TRX, from what Jasmine is saying. So that's actually really cool to know, that this is their first true appraisal on the Ram TRX, and that's where we stand at the particular moment. She's still, as you can see, kind of just going over everything. And she did agree that it would be okay if she was filmed, so we do have her permission for that. We'll keep you updated as it goes. Is this the first appraisal for a TRX for CarMax?
Yes.
Nationwide or just in-state?
Nationwide if it's not in our system.
Awesome. So this is the first appraisal from CarMax for the TRX. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, guys. So he's walking up to the truck now with the appraisal. Let's see what he has to tell us.
All right, I got it right here. Obviously, the condition is great. They're gonna give you $63,000 for it.
63 is the big number. Thank you so much.
Take care.
You too.